Alright, good day everybody out there on YouTube. So I've already fed the birds and everything, and I've got, oh my goodness, what was that about? I decided to discard the video that I originally made. How did you get in there? Do you fit? Do you fit? Okay, so this may be more entertaining than what I videoed earlier. Are you just stuck? How did you get in there? Oh, you called me. This is not the first time that they've been in there. But anyway, I discarded the earlier video because of the fact that there's a rooster over here. You looking to sleep or what? Make a nest? You're sleeping over here? Okay. I discarded the earlier video because my kids, I realized, were in it, and my daughter, who is about to be 4, was in her underwear, so I was like, I better discard this just because I really don't care to have my kids, footage of my kids used by pedophiles. I'll just put it up bluntly. I don't care to have my footage of my children used for pedophiles to get off. If you are somebody who finds children attractive, there's a difference between, you should not be finding children attractive beyond just being a beautiful kid. If you are sexually attracted to a child, you really should get psychological help, and there's no shame in getting psychological help. If you are attracted to children, if you are attracted to children sexually, you should realize that there is a deeper psychological necessity of care that you need to get help for. Look at cat. This is my cat. Hi, girl kitty. Oh, there's the ducks. But yeah, I discarded the earlier footage because it really, I realized that my daughter doesn't need to be seen on the internet in her underwear. I mean, it's okay to a certain extent, but she's old enough that it's kind of like, you're not really a baby anymore. I still, yes, let her run around in her underwear in our yard, but it's not appropriate for her to be on camera in her underwear. So I decided to get rid of the earlier footage. But here's some ducks. Getting a drink. Here's my cat. My chickens. Oops, too much. It's having a hard time because I'm in the shade. The chickens are in the shade, but the lens is also having to go through sunshine, so that's why it was getting pixelated. But yeah, so I just discarded the earlier footage. So maybe this is a little bit more soothing and relaxing, especially with a cat. Oh, let's zoom out. There's my cat. Let's see. He was born in 2007, and it is 2021, so he's like 14, 13, going on 14. Oh, and for those of you who noticed, who've been watching my videos since I started them 2.5 years ago, if you've noticed that there's a chicken missing, a dark red chicken, my Hey, the old girl died. I don't know if she died of natural causes. I would like to think she died of natural causes. But she may have also just gotten attacked by this guy in the middle of the night. Because I found her right around here, actually, kind of right there, dead, the morning after I got home from being away taking care of my mental health. And it was kind of, it almost seemed like she'd waited to die until I got home. So yeah, she died. But she lived a good life. She got to wander this whole yard, and I wish that she could have hatched a clutch of eggs to fulfill that part of her life, but that sadly didn't happen. Goldie, you're not going to get out right there. Why can't you just jump and fly? But anyway, I thought I would share this video with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh, please like, share, comment, and subscribe below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Please comment. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.